down 95 pips. I mean, this is an upward movement. You can see you gave you 2 chances to get out before. You would have definitely got out break even, but 95 pips. You know, you had conservative, you would have 91 pips, a couple of pips above it. So it gave you 2 chances to get out of that. The US dollar yen, remember the Japan was on bank holiday until Thursday, and this pair was a late starter this week. I left it alone until Thursday when I used the NPB, which is a little trick I showed you Wednesday night. Price went on to drop 154 pips. So if you see, you put, that's our movement. We take 20 pips off the movement here. 162. So 142, 134, depends on your broker or the chart you're using that day, but it also depends on when you got out. If you look at the smaller time frames, I got out at 89.96 for 338 pips, which was a bit late, but all these yen pairs had dropped, and I was watching other charts at the time and getting out of other yen pairs, and by the time I got to this one, I got out at 338. I did not have an order in to get out, but if you look across here, it was 100% movement of this fib, the last big up, and 88.18 would have been a very logical area to get out, but the way it just dropped, you just didn't know how far I was going to go. Aussie dollar yen, here we go again. I left alone on Thursday as the bank holiday. I did the NPB. It fell 780 pips from your entry. I got out at 77.94 and netted 677 pips. Price was really bouncing around, and if you are safer out if you have that many pips that fast. Again, I call that too much too soon, and price does retrace. If you see here, this is the close of Wednesday night, Thursday. It came up, it only came up 26 pips. This was a brilliant entry, and it just came down. It fell 806 pips below. And you would have taken 20 off that. I rounded it off at 780. So 677 pips is what I got out this pair at, and that was the week. So we've been very, very conservative. Our total this week is 3289. I've taken a third off. As you can see, even the Aussie dollar, I've done 131, which is the latest you would have got out of that. The pound dollar, I've done 500 pips, even though on the there was moves there of 692 pips, 665 pips, 407 pips moves. I've just put in a 500. That's very conservative. So it's 3289. I'm sure we all made more than that. If you're new and you did it on demo and you didn't make as much as that, don't worry about it. The weeks of this will come about again. They don't come about often, but they do. That MPB trick will work very well. And I'm off now to do the analysis for tomorrow. So I will speak to you later. Okay, take care.